Welcome back.
Today we take you to revisit the Bangkok Woodworking Street. If you need anything made from wood or to work with wood, you should come here.
Our own station now. We find a way to go out. Can step here. Tap.
We need to take exit number 2.
With exit 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 2.
Where are we?
We in Tao Pun station.
And where do you want to go?
We go to Pracha Narumit Soi นะคะ We want to look wood.
Wood.
Yeah, wood.
Welcome to Thailand Lifestyle. We are Nann
And Odin. Make the best out of your day. Every day.
Is here I come is first time นี่นะคะ ออกมาเสร็จตรงข้ามก็จะเป็นตลาด Market.
We follow the road about 500 meters.
Look like it's so delicious. Wow, many food around here. It look yummy.
Maybe later we'll get something to eat. First we have to do some work.
Okay, I need to work and I got food.
First work and then fun. Always the same, you know.
Okay.
What is it?
It is a ข้าวมันไก่ See? Have ข้าวมันไก่ have a soup. Oh, on the way. Have food.
Yes, in Thailand you have food everywhere.
Yes. It's another. This one is a grilled chicken. And this is a restaurant. Yeah.
Then you can buy a full chicken, huh?
Yeah. A chicken like a bend. Like this. Now we in Soi Pracha Narumit. Right?
Yes, now you are in the soil. Entrance of the soil.
To stay in touch, please subscribe and turn on our notifications.
To subscribe is free, but you will be able to find us again easy in this huge YouTube jungle.
This the number made from wood. And flower and leaf. here have a wood art like this, like an alphabet,
Yes.
and have a number
You
and
can put your name together.
oh, now you need to trust me. This sound is for make it.
Yes.
And have a wood. You can sell by piece.
Good, yes. They're quite thick.
Yeah. And many shop is closed, no? It's another shop. Have a service cat service. See? A cat service. And this piece look like the piece I show you. Can connect.
Ceiling.
Oh,
This one to the floor.
yeah.
เป็นปาเก้ไม้สักปาเก้ไม้ปูพื้นเนี่ย
ไม้ปูพื้
เข้าน ลิ้นเข้าลิ้น
ว่าทำไมมันเป็นแง่งเข้าหากัน
มันจะเข้าลิ้น
อ๋อโอเค
มันจะเข้าลิ้น
อืม
อันนึงจะเป็นตุ่มยื่นอย่างนี้ใช่ไหมอีกอันหนึ่งเนี่ยตัวประกบแล้วมันจะเข้าลิ้นสนิทเลยแบบนี้
โอเคค่ะ
Profile board.
ขอบคุณค่ะ แต่ร้านใหญ่มากเลย
Here are the skirt boards.
อ๋อสเก็ตlook nice when the people like is a wood style
Yes. If you want to have something from solid wood, you can find it here. It's
and
not
this
big.
one you see is before I have not now my house still have stair like this and have the rail for catch handrail yeah
I would love to see you like.
and this one for door and window look nice no oh I never see like this is long already looks like have coffee shop inside maybe somebody need to build a house and need to buy the wood can come here and have for many a lot
This is why I make the video for people who build or need to renovate
yeah
and they need some solid wood. They don't want to have repair.
and this one like a board or the number from house like this
And a very high chair.
I need to climb up you know this is furniture
This is chair for people who play tennis. You can go on.
oh I need to sit like this
Yeah.
need to people see me
The referee.
he laugh about me
No, they are even higher.
all around is have a stuff for make a wood, for color, for like a renovate and make a room or house. Have furniture, have temple.
There was a guy who is tough. He's still there.
And we walk to the
สวัสดีครับ
สวัสดีค่ะ
Still do by hand.
He look in the around I show. Yeah. Sleep and work. Sleep and work.
Yeah.
Great work and. But all is not is a Thai people.
I don't know.
It's not Israel.
Okay.
Because its accent is Thai.
Whatever you need related to wood, if it are wooden planks, beams, if you are looking for ceilings, wall panels, or parquet flooring, if you look for windows, frames, or doors, and even if you need real wood furniture, Soi Pracha Narumit is the place to go. But you find more like paints, hinges and locks, as well as machines and tools to work with wood. My English is just not good enough to name it all, and I'm sure I did not find and show everything you can buy here. Just come here and look for yourself. They make the glass for the glass doors.
This shop made by glass.
This is glass, yes. Glass and lead.
On this soil is really like a half of handmade. This one in Thailand, the people Thai is like this. The name shop. And have a small. And if there are in Thai house, the people need to have a Buddha. And the one is we show you, it can make like a Buddha set small in the house.
Interesting that the furniture is beautiful.
Yeah. want to have?
Well, I don't have the size, but you can take an email address from them and then you can send them the size. In the bathroom. If you have a card with the email address.
We got this because we saw like a window from the sink. We need to change, but we not measure size, and we got the contact, and later we can tell. Go inside, can go? Oh, thank you. Loose. We need to go down. Careful. Oh, Soi very long, huh? Very.
พื้นมันมีอะไรรอง
Looks like a buffalo and a dragon. Maybe she is born in the year of the dragon, but she acts like a buffalo. Cannot? Cannot. But this you need to have very high roof. Another one. If you want to have a second offer. parallel road over there. You can go up and you can go further that way. There is a lot more. But for us, this is a lot.
Yeah, because it's a lot shop around here.
Yeah.
Every house have.
Yeah. There's a restaurant, I think. You can look what they have. I think it's a cat.
Or walk here?
Okay. Here we have khao man gai.
You, come on,
And you have
soup.
It's Thai
Soup.
called quay chắp.
kue,
Chắp.
kue sap.
Quay chắp.
Because
Okay.
it's have the big noodle like this.
Ah, yeah. Okay. So, Mon will eat
And
kue
have
sap.
like this and the crispy pork and the blood.
Okay.
I eat blood.
You eat blood? Yes.
And have egg.
Yes. Have everything.
Egg here. Okay. And this one for you. Special.
This one for me.
One have skin.
Yep. Good.
You want me try? And I will try my soup.
Okay.
And you? I can try for you. This one. And not bad.
Okay.
But my better.
If you want to stay with us, click on one of these thumbnails. Thank you for watching, and not forget to click like and to subscribe. I hope to see you in the next video. Yes, click now.